We had leaks, roof leaks, over a period of literally years, and tried progressive solutions, more and more invasive, more and more expensive, and ultimately decided that we needed to put a new roof on significantly years ahead of when the reserve study would have indicated we needed that. My name is Sandy Smith. I am the board president for a downtown condo. The condo had a roof that had to replicate something that could have been put on in the early 1900s. And we were attempting to replace that with a more modern material. That challenge meant that we had to receive agreement from the Historical Preservation Board, which is why we had to have a really strong architectural firm supporting us. We had a good deal of support from J2. That started from the very early permitting process through the approvals through the Preservation Board and all the way through the follow-up. And throughout that entire process, the relationships between us and the actual quality of the work just continued to increase. Weekly, we would get an inspection of the work by J2. We actually consider J2 to be the most dependable and productive consultant we use in any firm. We had an annual meeting, and our J2 consultant actually came to the meeting in case there were questions that were more technical than we felt comfortable addressing. I have not experienced another architectural firm that works quite as collaboratively with the minimum amount of negative fallout along the way. Our experience from J2 has been excellent.